Competency-based curriculum development. What is it? To understand competency-based curriculum development, we first need to define what we mean by competency. A competency is the ability to perform a task successfully and/or efficiently. For example, the competency to perform a surgical procedure or the competency to examine a patient. A competency is made up of a unique set of knowledge, skills, and attitudes that allow a physician to perform a task in a defined and accepted manner. So how does one identify competencies? We use a process called backward planning. Starting with a patient problem, we define what the current status of the problem is and where it should be. The difference between what is and what should be is called a gap, and this analysis is referred to as a gap analysis. For example, post-operative infection rates after trauma surgery at a hospital is 10%. The national average is 5%, and this is what the hospital would like to aim for. Once the patient problem gap has been defined, the next step is to identify surgeon performance needed in order to improve the outcome and thus bridge the gap. The following question is asked to help identify performance gaps. The answer to this question results in a list of abilities that the surgeon needs to have in order to perform in an optimal way. For example, the ability to list the types of bacteria that commonly infect wounds, close wounds appropriately, and appreciate the importance of thorough hand washing. Once we have identified the list of knowledge, skills, and attitudes that can improve performance, which in turn improves competency, educational activities can be designed to teach to these competencies. The collection of these educational activities, such as lectures, videos, case discussions, is the curriculum, and since it is based on improving a competency, the process to develop such a curriculum is called competency-based curriculum development.